It is an absolute priority for me, in part because I am a member of Parliament for the Prairies and know what it means not to have representation from our part of the country, and therefore it is a priority to work toward achieving an NDP breakthrough here in Western Canada. We know the NDP received a significant percentage of the vote in the last federal election. There is a strong group of NDP supporters and activists and many people that came out to support Jack Layton's message. So there's a lot to build on. We know there's a very strong history in terms of the NDP in Saskatchewan, but we need to elect new Democrats coming out of Saskatchewan and from across the prairies. That's why I'm here in Saskatoon, a place I've been, actually this is my third time since we began our campaign, and I've spent a considerable amount of time in Regina and across Saskatchewan as well. And I believe that that's part of it, is we need to get out there on the road, engage people here in Saskatchewan about the kinds of issues that matter to our communities, that matter to our region.
Does that mean a move to the centre? Is the NDP the new big tent in town?
I believe that our principles that have a deep roots here in Saskatchewan, from the CCF and then on to the NDP, are principles that ought to guide us in the future. And I also believe that that we must be welcoming to people who feel that our message resonates with them, and whether or not they voted NDP in the past, or maybe they voted in the last election, and people that haven't voted at all. It's about engaging people and saying, you know what, these are the kinds of issues we're putting forward, and let's listen to the issues coming from Canadians across our different regions, and see how we can bring them into a vision for Canada that seeks to make us better off in terms of equality, in terms of fairness, in terms of an innovative and supportive universal healthcare system. And it's about moving forward with that spirit in mind. So it's a welcoming space, but a space that is definitely rooted in the values and the principles of the NDP.